Okay, so it's still heating up, but I just want to show you one thing. There's a pressure gauge. Now I'm going to use this just to let off some steam, the steam wand controller. I'm just going to let off some steam. You can see the pressure dropped then. So you open the steam valve because there's air inside here that heats up, that increases the pressure, and it's a false pressure. So you let off a bit of steam, let the air out, and then that's the true pressure, and you just leave it to heat up a bit more. You can do that at any time. The second there's pressure on there, let out some air, it'll drop and then it'll go back up, and that's done.